chewing on gumdrops early one morning in spring, thinking of black-eyed Susans and other delicate things. I saw her with her hair all in curlers. She was walking her dog on the beach. First temptation was to run up and hold her, squeeze her and tell her she looked lovely in the morning. But I tripped on a rock in the sand and told her I liked her dog. Ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. I haven't seen her since that morning on the beach. I moved to the mountains about a year and a half ago, but all I can remember are her curlers and her dog. I wonder if she skis. It's all the same on beaches or in mountains. You can walk a dog just about any place you choose. But if all you remember is a hair curler on a leash, it really isn't love. Ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum.